As I said, the best thing is that our growth was not restricted to any area. It was uniform across the zone. Nearly 54% branches were under the category of performing branches, and 64% branches were under the category of performing branches in advances. That is a very good thing, because advances is one thing where you can show your matter. Deposit, sometimes it depends, especially term deposit, it depends upon rate of interest prevailing in the market vis-a-vis your bank's rate of interest. But CASA, you can garner by good customer service. Now the way forward from here, our AGM, Mr. Swing, has already told you about the budget before the bank and our zone. The basic theme of the bank for the year is perform to the potential. And this time, budget exercise was done very well. Our HO has given a reasonable target. This was given especially keeping in mind, and in that our GM was also instrumental, that number of performers should increase. If Hyderabad zone cannot achieve their target despite giving 38.8% growth in advances, so there we are not in fact favoring the performers. So this year very reasonable target is given, and in advances last year we have shown a growth of 859 crore, whereas this year target is only 687 crore. Friends, there I have taken a liberty and promised our chairperson and our general manager, Shri Charan Singh ji, that our team will surpass target in credit before 31st December. Can I have a ratification from all of you? So now I will not take much of your time. And on behalf of Team Hyderabad, I assure you, sir, that the Team Hyderabad is always committed for quality growth, and we are confident that we will post better results in the current financial year by sticking to the basics. This year the target will be achieved on month-to-month basis, keeping an eye on bottom line growth all the time. Because every business which we take, first of all we should see what benefit our zone will get or bank will get out of this business. Doing some business which is not profitable and just increase the size of our zones or bank's balance sheet, we will not go for that, and we will try to be the real earner for the bank. Friends, 1 month is already gone, and now we have only 8 months left to achieve our target, because as we have pledged that we will achieve our target, rather surpass our target on 31st December, and from there on we should consolidate our business. When I say we should consolidate, means there should not be any irregularities in deposit or advances, both the fronts, and this require a constant and continuous effort. As I said, it is all starts from your mind. If you decide that you can do it, you can do it. And I am sure if you make one commitment, sincere commitment, and then be sincere to our commitment throughout the year, we can do it. And if you think positive, these things are surely going to happen. It won't be a sort of miracle, I am telling you. We have done that earlier also. We have completed all target, and our zone now, right now, is in a position that we can say that. क्योंकि जिसकी दृष्टि बदल गई उसकी सृष्टि बदल गई. यदि आपने एटीट्यूड बना लिया कि हमें ये करना है तो वो होके रहेगा. So once again I wish good luck to all of you and your team. Thank you.